Hi everyone, it's me Yasin. Today is my second day in Leh and I have successfully acclimatized as recommended for 24 hours and I'm heading to Leh market. What will be there in the market? So what I'm expecting will be some sort of prayer wheels which the monks use, which they usually maybe use in everyday process, and also wooden works, their carpets. So let's check out what all collections will be there, and maybe I will have a cup of coffee if there are coffee joints which are open. And this is my second time here in Leh, and last time I came in the same month, April, and I thought next time when I come, I should come around summertime, June, July, but then it's maybe my destiny to come here in the same month, April. So we will check out the market today. Let's check out what's there. So guys, I'm all geared, dressed. I have 3 layers of my outfit. I hope I won't feel cold. So come on, let's go to the market. I'm heading out to the market and see, this is what I'm seeing. There is the palace. Can you see on the top? Ah, that's the Leh Palace. It's all dry. Shea Palace. But it's very windy up there. Top of the mountain. Leh Palace. This is in the main center of Leh town. That is also. This and there. There'll be one line where everyone goes. See that? Last time we came from there. Or it's a small town, I remember. They have a masjid also. So we reached a base. So they usually charge a bit more here, that is what I feel, but then if we get a good bargain, maybe I can get something interesting. Oh, the prayer wheels are here. The prayer ball. Prayer ball, no?
Yes, बाहर से करते हैं, बाहर से।
अच्छा, ये ऊपर करता है ना ऐसा? ऐसे वाला ना?
आपने YouTube बना रहा है?
हाँ।
YouTube बना के कहाँ भेजेगा?
ऐसे YouTube में रख देगा, memories होगा ना फिर बाद में, खुद के लिए नहीं?
करते रहो। ऐसे ये है ना।
अब तो एक्सपर्ट हो।
इसी में ट्रेस करना, इसी में। आप ऐसा कर रहे हैं, या ऐसे ये नहीं
होगा। Oh, we have to touch it. ये कितना का आ रहे हो?
ये वाला 1200 का है, 1200 का है।
फिर अभी स्टार्टिंग प्राइस क्या है?
450।
So I'm heading to a store. It's high time to do shopping here in Leh. I don't know what I'm gonna buy because I love to do window shopping. So let me see what all are here. Let me check out the store. They have this Buddha sleeping. I always like this one. These little Buddhas are my favorites. Yes, and this will be the local, the pretty girls, the antique. I don't know what prices they are. I will have to ask. The collection is just so good. Oh, there is a shop owner. Julie. And your friends? Hi. Name of the store?
Shakya Tibetan
Shakya Tibetan store, right? Yeah. So where do you get this whole collections?
All this collection from different places, not only from one place.
Do you have any favorite one which you like in your own store?
For me,
Yes.
I like most the silver jewelry which I have inside the box.
Earrings.
Yeah, those are based on silver one.
Uh-huh.
And all those necklace
Uh-huh.
which are Ladakhi and Tibetan.
Ladakhi. So do you have any significant jewelry which if I wear people will know it's a Ladakhi jewelry?
Yeah.
Which one?
Though actually our Ladakhi and Tibetan jewelry are mostly same.
Ah,
traditional type,
Tibetans.
yeah.
Ah, okay. So I would like to check out something Ladakhi with Ladakhi touch.
Yeah, you can see, have a look. Those first, second, third line.
And then what are the prices? Will you be,
Price starting from 1,000
1,000.
to the 2,500, 3,000 maximum.
And what is the best selling ones that you have?
You can choose the one which is not so heavy one, something light
Lighter.
one which you can
Okay.
go with all the dresses.
I'd like to know, like during this Corona time, like did it affected your store? How was the sales and how is it catching up now?
No customer.
No.
Everywhere is empty. Especially in the main bazaar, there is a little bit custom, but especially on the Chanspa Road and the Ford Road, everything is shut down.
Shut down.
Yeah,
No? So
no
now
customer.
it's back to normal.
We hope so.
Yeah, better. So this is
Better,
just the
better.
starting of
Maybe
April.
after this month. Maybe we are hoping for the month of May. Month of May, June, the most customer are Indian. But August and September, mostly customer from foreigner.
During winters.
I mean, August and September.
It's winter time.
Not
Not
winter.
winter time. Not winter.
Winter starting from November.
November.
November and December.
So why do the foreigners come during the end only? For trekking?
August trekking Mount Vera.
Trekking.
For August and the September, the most customer from the European. They are going for trekking, sightseeing.
Acha, trekking where?
Trekking in the mountain. There's lots of old temples and there, and they go for rafting too.
Special tea time.
You have to.
कौन सा कैफे अच्छा है यहाँ?
Cafe तो बहुत है.
अच्छा कौन सा टी मतलब
Cafe, actually there's one cafe called the Lavender Cafe. It's also good. Right now I think it's closed. They're preparing something.
Lots of constructions going on,
Yeah,
no?
फिर ये सामने जो है ना कौन सा वाला Brazil Cafe. And one there's a new cafe called the Nas Cafe.
अच्छा.
Nas Cafe. This is also a newly one.
Okay. So it'll be good.
Yeah.
What do you do, Abhi?
She's my friend. She's a teacher.
Praying,
Yes,
no?
yes,
Nice.
because tomorrow I have to give the spraying calculate to our group leader. So it's necessary
Counting.
counting.
Acha, so I should not disturb you. Is it like that? What?
She will do when there's time free.
No
any
Acha, no restrictions as such. So do you also do whenever everyone does it, no?
so
Normal.
majorly in Ladakh has
कोई sorry.
in Ladakh majorly is Buddhism.
Yes.
Mostly Buddhism, especially
Majority
ले तो ज़्यादातर वो है
Buddhism.
है. Ladakh के those who stay in a Kargil side, they're some Muslim.
okay.
Bye,
Chalo.
see you. Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Okay. Take care.
Well, so I'm back from the market and what did I buy? This is my sweet, cute shopping. Look who do I have here. This little one. So this one I got it. And in my pouch here, I have my favorite piece of local souvenir. These are like very useful as souvenirs. And I got a silver earring. So I got this with this blue stone. Let me see how it'll look on me. This is my shopping. I got it for a good bargain. And the best part, save the best for the last, I got my wishing ball. I mean, it's not a wishing ball, but this was also in my wish list where I thought when I get it, if I get it for a good bargain, I'll buy. And this is considered to be the prayer ball. So I will have to try and improve working on it. I don't know if the right sound will come, but just listen to this. Yeah, I will work on it. Maybe by then I will become more professional. And so this is all that I got as a souvenir as of now. Hold on and see what else do I got. Maybe I'm not here for shopping though, but let's see what souvenirs I can get from here. Ta-da!